Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best blenders for baby food that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best blenders for baby food. In our opinion, this baby food maker chopper grinder. You can make ultra healthy and delicious baby food in less than 5 minutes. The 6 beautiful date dial storage cups allow you to make food in advance for busy days when you need good baby food fast. When looking to wean your little one onto solids, there are a lot of blenders on the market to choose from. Number 5. Baby Food Maker Baby Food Processor Blender. Know exactly what you are feeding your little one. Our unique steaming cycle locks in nutrients, flavors and vitamins, ensuring your little one benefits from tasty. Main features: super easy to clean, stylish and modern design, multifunction. Number 4. Baby Food Maker Lug Homes 8-in-1 Baby Food Processor Blender. Whether a self-cleaning or a dishwasher safe, the friendly design helps busy moms for time saver. Large caliber stainless steel water tank for easily cleaning. Main features: easy to operate and control, easy to clean, multifunctional. Number 3. Baby Food Maker Echo Mum Baby Food Blender. The baby steamer and blender come with a blending bowl and food-grade stainless steel blades for quick and easy chopping of fruit, vegetables, and meat. Main features: healthier and worry-free, easy to operate and wash, multifunction. Number 2. Cuisinart BFM 1000 Baby Food Maker and Bottle Warmer. This appliance has an automatic shut-off safety, turns unit off when water has evaporated. Steam blade creates even steam distribution for quicker. Main features: patent-pending blade lock system, LED indicator light, powerful motor for quick steaming. Number 1. Bubble Baby Food Maker for Infants. This food maker made from imported tried-in materials, Bubble Baby Food Maker is BPA, lead and phthalate free. Moms can use it with confidence to cook healthy. Main features: large capacity and time saving, convenient operation, easy and quick cleaning. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.